one wonderful question. Swamiji, you said jump into my space. How to? How many of you got morning what I spoke? Then I'll give the explanation because it is the ultimate step. When I actually said jump into my space, I wanted you to travel in the vertical space. It means again, if I have to use few more words, what Krishnamurti calls simple awareness. Just simple awareness. When you are around me, you see, for example, if a child looks at me, he will neither have an idea I am a god, nor an idea I am an enlightened person, or no idea will be there in him. No idea will be there. Do you think he will have an idea that I am enlightened? No. No idea. That is what I say. Just have no idea. And be in my space. Just don't have any idea. And don't even bother, you will do some mistake. That is what I am telling. When you think that you will not, if you don't have an idea about me, you are afraid that you will do a mistake. You will be disrespectful. You will behave in a hurting way or disrespecting way. That is the way you continuously think. That is what I say, don't bother. Don't have. When I said, when you understand I am not enlightened, you will become enlightened. I mean, I am not enlightened as you think as enlightenment. Your concept of enlightenment only stops you getting enlightened. Again and again, in a subtle way, your concept about me will stop you getting enlightened. If I say you become, let you become enlightened, you will think immediately, you will become like me. That is where problem will start. You will not become me. You will become you. You will become you. Even there is no need that healing should express through you. Healing powers should express through you, or how I am, it should express through you. No. You have a concept, always joyful. You have a concept about me, always joyful, always energetic, divine, radiating grace, bliss. Some concept you will have. So divine, so graceful, so blissful, everything, all some concept. So drop that. That's what I am telling you. Don't even bring the words. Don't even bring those words. Don't even bring those understandings. Your understanding about enlightenment is not enlightenment. When you drop those understandings, you will expand. You will expand. But you should have asked that question that time itself. Because in that context only, it has to be explored much better, much bigger way. Now, even though I am explaining, lot of that context is lost. When the context gets lost, the temperature, the tempo, the heat comes down. The heat should never be lost. Beat the iron when it is hot.
So that means you want us to think the way the first time we saw you or heard about you.
Again, first time also you heard only, you saw me, and the only what you must have imagined, I may be in a frame of Sai Baba, or I may be in a frame of some other master. Again the problem, don't even have the Indian mind. See, Indian mind itself will have idea about a Swami. Just nothing. How a child will be there. How a child will look at me. Just like that look. No idea. No question of anything else. Just be there.
I think I kind of understood when you said that, but the thing that I was not able to put in context is that even if I wanted to look at you from with a fresh pair of eyes, just to say, okay, you are just a person. You have ideas and you're going to help us.
Why do you bring again those things?
The problem is you're there, you're sitting there, you're giving the ideas. That's what I'm trying to get at. I can
Can't
look at
you?
you as a friend.
No,
I can
no,
look at you
you
as a
see.
friend.
All right. You think that now all the other people are all not giving ideas to you?
Can I think into this, like when you talk about Krishna consciousness or anything like that, like one of the formula, like one of the songs says like divine consciousness. If you make if I make myself like divine consciousness divided by I consciousness, when I keep on dropping I consciousness and filling with divine consciousness, that is.
You do not know what is divine consciousness. All these things are again words.
Swami, when I work with children all the time, really little children all the way up, and when a child looks at you and they meet you for the first time, all they know is they feel good around you or they feel bad around you. Either they
That's all.
want to be by you or they don't want to be by you. Either they
That's
like
all.
you or they don't like you. That's all.
That's all. Asmita, you understand? There is no one thing. You think the other guys are all not giving ideas to you?
That's why I ran out over there and sat there for a while. I went to the swing, I sat there. She came by and she said she wanted to swing next to me. I said, no, I need my space. Just leave me alone. And I sat there. I didn't know what to think of it.
You don't even have to think. I am giving idea. I am going to help you. You will be helped. Even those things are not necessary. Asmita, you can be without even those things. You can be without even those things. Whatever I said morning, I blacked actually all mental questions and tried to just push the whole thing. That is what actually I did. And the guys who are a little intelligent can catch even that when that happens, even in that moments, you see in 2-3 minutes I changed the whole energy of the place. If you observe, you can understand. In 2-3 minutes, just few words, the energy of the place changed. I just blacked this side, that side, that side, that side, the mental setup, what all the mind can play the games, and just caught the neck of your mind. Now some other time, now you are all again with questions. Some other time when you are relaxed, when you guys are thinking about something else, I will catch you. That time I will take care of you. Now it is not the time again. Whatever I say, you will make only intellectual drama and intellectual game. See, morning when I caught, you were all unaware. You were just casually questioning me, and the mood was very unaware. Where I don't have to, where you are not in the trip of intellectual trip, or I have to practice and all those things. Now you are in the trip of practicing the whole thing. Then when you decide that I will practice, again you are ready with your weapons. Whatever I say, you will make slices into it.
Swami, I just felt like after you talk in the morning, I felt better, I felt light, easier, because before that I felt like someone's watching me, I have to be extra careful, whatever. I don't know, I just felt light.
You see, 2-3 things. Whenever you are, you think that you are being just enveloped by master's presence, some process he is doing. Whenever you suspect, just try to understand the whole thing. When you can't, when you think that you can't understand, neither bother about understanding nor bother about misunderstanding. Think how much I understand this moment, let it go in, otherwise I don't bother, forget about it. If you, the moment you understand you missed, intensely feel, let me catch. Play these 3 attitude. Either feel that you should catch, and when it is going out, just be open and wait. Whatever comes, let it come in. If you feel that it's missing, at least be intensely start playing. Oh, I think I'm missing. Whatever comes in, let it come in. That much only can be done. It's actually, anyhow, today morning, many of you caught the thing which I want to express. It's like a process, it's like a heating it up, and when right time when things are hot, give a blow. And one concept will break and give way. One concept will break and give way. That's the way it should be.